Okay, folks, buckle up, because we're going to hack the Road Editor plugin. Link in the description. Link in the description. All right, so we've got it. We're going to create a node, and then we're going to create 5 more nodes, or 4 more nodes. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. But we want them in a circle, so we got to do some stuff. So first we will grab them and put them in a folder. Oopsies. Oopsie daisy. Alright, so we got them all. So I love this. I just love it. Group as a folder. Alright, so inside this folder we have all these lanes. We're going to take them all and use the align tool. Oh no! This is what we're going to do. Very important. Because they're like a linked list. Each one has to know. Each one knows which one is after it. So this one's going to be lane R1. This one's going to be lane R2. Lane R4. Why do they jump around? It's like entropy. That's just my steamer in the background. It's a long story. Just sterilizing some grain. What did I just do? Oh, I opened it. Alright, so this one's lane 3. It's going to be lane 5, I think. Okay, so we've numbered them all because we're going to rotate them and we need to know which one's like first and second and third. So this will make sense at some point, hopefully. I think there's something wrong with the steamer. I'm going to pause this video. Alright, so we're going to take all these 5 and we are going to, and the spinner, command click on that, and we're going to put them all in the same place, and you will learn why later. So we'll unclick the spinner. Didn't work. We will select all 5 of these, and we're just going to pick them up. And this is just this weird like set of, I don't know, idea that I thought of. That made no sense. Go back and edit that out. So we'll put these here. Okay, so because we are perpendicular to the spinner, and if we rotate it around the center of this spinner, it will produce a symmetrical one on the other side. Okay, so we're going to take and we're going to rotate them. There's 5 of them. We're going to rotate them. Each goes 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So we'll set our rotate is 11.231. Good Lord, what? Yeah, no wonder. All right, so 90. That's a more useful number. Or is it? All right, so we'll take number 2 through 5. Watch closely, kiddos. And the spinner, and we're going to command 4 and rotate. So that whole group went 90 degrees. And then we're going to uncheck number 2, and then we're going to rotate for the other ones. Do we have collisions on? Oh my God. Oh, go away. Oh my God. Stop. Alright, so now we're going to rotate these ones. Why do you mock me? What's going on? Alright, so we need to turn off collisions probably. So now we will rotate these again. I feel like it's not working. So basically we want to take the spinner and number 3 and rotate them. I think I need to just like try the smaller degrees. All right. So, all right, good, things are working. Okay, so spinner and number 3 are going for a little trip. Spinner and number 4 and 5 are going for a little trip. The heck? That just looked weird. Okay, and then 5 and the spinner. So 5 is going to end up on top of 1. What did 0 say to 8? Nice belt. All right, now we don't need the spinner anymore. So see what we did? We used the fact that they were centered and then moved out so that they were perpendicular or something. So let's take everyone except number 1, and we're going to move it up by 20 studs. And ready, set, go. And now we're going to do everyone but number 2. Sorry, number 2. We're doing this without you. Same for number 3. And then lastly, number 5. All right, you ready to render this thing? Oh lordy. So does anyone see how maybe it interpreted something different? So let's take lane number 2 and we'll do a 180. Command 4. I did a 180 with a fun. Was it fun? Maybe. I did a 180. Was it fun? Maybe. Render all. I did a 180 because a nun paid me. Alright, so we gotta return this. Render all. So look at this. This is some good stuff. I think my channel is gonna be good. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. This channel is sponsored by annoying please subscribe whining. Because I want to. I can't monetize it yet. It's your fault. So press that button. Legitimize me. Legitimate me. What happened to that one? They were going all fine, and then that one. Let's look from the top. F it. Yeah, it should be rotated. All right, so rotate. Oh my god, I love this tool. I hacked the... What's this thing called? I hacked the road tool. And nobody could stop me. And the author doesn't know. The author told me not to hack the road tool, but I did it anyways. Watch me drive my car up it. Yeah, if anyone has a car, yeah, if you have a car, please comment and we'll hook this thing up. So why is this first turn so hideous? Wow. So looky what we have. So we will go like, is this? It didn't work. Come on, Shift. What is wrong with Shift? Is it on holiday? And we will Command G it, and we'll call it road spiral. Come on. Throw me a bone here. We'll turn it into a package so we can use it again. Where's turn it into a package? It is hiding from me. I think, yeah, I'm gonna get a new voice for these videos, like a complete cartoon character. And now, your greatest questions are being answered. Can Cletus Van Dam hack the road editor? Tune in and buckle up and strap on your space jammies. All right, let's go for a walk. So let's actually spinner. Let's anchor it. Remember, kids, always anchor your big, giant, heavy blocks, or else they'll wiggle around and consume all your processor, RAM, whatever, cycles, clock speed, thingamabob. All right, let's start out at the top. I think this is gonna be a good screenshot. I think a lot of kids are gonna watch this. So that's what you have to put on YouTube, not made for kids, because then there's no comments. All right, are you ready to rock and roll? Are you ready to rock the road editor? Tune in now. Road edited. How do you like me now? People who said I couldn't do it. Who's laughing now? Who's got the last laugh? Ah! He fell. Alright. So, let's go this way. This looks, what's that word, the opposite of safe? Ah! We'll put that, let's see, these are like 5 tall. 5 is a good number. There's rainbows sleeping on the job. All right, this deserves like a. Where's my toy? I lost my road. Just put it over here. Don't worry. Look at that fox bouncing up and down. I did not teach that fox to bounce up and down. And oh, it's connected to the zombie and it's eating a carrot. So, what's going on? Oh, just, I guess, stuck on the carrot. Okay, let's see if I can help. All right, hold on, just, ow. Stop it. Just push. Okay. I pushed too hard. Dang it.